Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change a headlight on a Subaru Impreza all-wheel drive. Just walk around here to the front. It's very easy. Walk around here to the front, locate the headlight assembly. If your hands is small enough, you can literally just reach right here in the back of the housing. That's the socket connector. That's the housing port for the light. I've already removed that light. Let me show you guys how to just put it back in. Let me show you guys just how to get that light just back in there real quick. There's our new light. Peak head lighting. So after connecting it, turn it this way so you guys can see it. Make sure it's not binding with nothing while you're testing it, because that light gets really hot and it'll melt, and you can burn out the light easily if you come into contact with it with your fingers or another material. Let's test it out. I'm just going to turn the switch on and see if it's working. Okay, headlight is completely removed and installed and swapped out on a Subaru Impreza. That is how you change a headlight. Thanks, and watch. Before we leave, I'm actually going to show you guys how to just get it back inside the house. Let's turn it off. Let's get it turned off. Turn it. Let's just stick it inside the housing. You want it to go in that port there. Be careful touching that headlight. It is very hot. Even after being illuminated for just 10 or 15 seconds, very hot. You might not be able to see due to the limited amount of space I'm working with, but you all get the memo. You put the headlight inside that port, like so. You get it in there, line it up properly. Get it lined up. It's lined up. Now you just want to turn it to lock it from coming out. Headlight won't come out now. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, share, and let me know what you think about the video if it was helpful. Thanks a lot.